Hey guys, Jay Bretz, the owner of Excel Roofing. Been doing this for more than 30 years. I know the good, the bad, and the ugly of the roofing business. These are the 5 questions that you should be asking any roofing contractor that you're considering doing your roof job. Number 1, why are you asking for money up front? Roofing contractors that are legitimate and solid do not need any money up front. Number 2, what are you going to do with my money? I mean, really, you're going to trust somebody with like $5,000 or $10,000 of your cash? Don't do it. How long has your company been in business? And where's your headquarters at? Number 4, can you give me the owner's name, phone number, and address? I'm Jay Bretz, the owner of Excel Roofing, 303-761-6400, 4510 South Federal Boulevard. We've been here for many, many years. If they can't answer that question, that's bad. Number 5, yep, I'm circling back to it. Will you do the job with no payment until I'm satisfied? If the roofing contractor will not do your job without money up front, don't do it. Hey, we're going to give you just one last parting thought. This is Charlie the Roof Dog. Have a great day.